Factory serviced it. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. We are busy today. We're gonna do utilities, little change of plans. We gotta do a dig out. Rocket, I got a call for rock. Frank's gonna run the rain drains on the 2 utilities that are ready, and we're gonna get going.
Let's hop to it.
Like that or more? Just that little spot? That is our KOBELCOSK85. Alright, so we moved over here and moving dirt because it's where the house is going to sit. Clay. We hauled in from another one of our job sites. Oh, for free. Well, like either one's needs the utility done, so free. I gotta get rock called in, but I don't want to do that until I get the approach dug out and the sidewalks. But it is Monday. Maybe I should call now. I'll call now. Yeah, little recap of this morning. Here it was like, oh, we're in utility mode, you know. I get told dig outs need done before the utilities. Alright, so we did that, and then I get stopped again because the whole shallow gas line issue. Anyway, it's up there. We had to expose it again so they can take pictures of it. It's right under the concrete. Right under. And it's got to be at least 18 to 24 inches minimum. Dang it. That was going to be all sunny. Alright, we got that all spread out. I don't want to smooth it out because I want the air to get in to the little voids in there and help dry it out. Correct me if I'm wrong there. Got the machine over there. I'm going to start digging out sidewalks and the approach. I'm going to stake this out to see where the foundation's going to sit. That'll be it for this one, and I can get to digging utilities. It got cold again, but either way, we got this staked out. Oh, if you guys can see that. So here's the wing. All right, there, that's a good one. There's the wing. The edge of the garage is way over here. That's basically where that wing, I don't know if it's hard to see, that wing right there should basically end right about there. Actually, I blew that out. That's blown out 3 feet. So it should end probably right about where that rock is. And then, you know, go up from there. So digging out this approach, that means everything's going to be shifted over this way, and that wing, it should be started about probably right where that locate is. I got to let proper people know the right measurements so I can dig this out. I'm gonna go talk to somebody. All right, so we got the plans. We did some measurements. It's got to be cut there. This is the actual driveway. It's got to be cut there. Bam. All right, since we got all that figured out, we're gonna come make some cuts. So the setback is a 20-foot setback from the property line to the edge of the house, and only 5 foot's required. So he's gonna look into maybe we can shift the house over so it will line up there so we don't have to make the cuts. But for now, we're just gonna do it how the plan says it and deal with it later, I guess. Cutting out the sidewalk. Well, I'm just going to end up digging all this out. I'm still going to cut all that out. So if they do have to cut it, I got to come and dig behind it anyway. Alright, so we're just getting the approach dug out here. Clean up the edge. Put a rock there. I'm gonna stay right there for now. Then I'll probably move it like 4 more times. I'm gonna dig this probably 8 inches below the bottom of that curb, or 10. 4 inches of gravel, and it has 6 inches of concrete. That equals 10. We're done with this dig out, or the approach at least. I dug it out even past where they were going to, they might cut it just in case he shifts the house over. This is already dug out. Looks like these guys are ready for lunch already. Look at them. So yeah, I think it's that time. All right, back from lunch. Got Frank lined out on that utility over there. I'm gonna have him dig it. He needs to learn. He's gonna dig it. So, and then now what I'm gonna do, come over here, and the edge of the foundation, well, this is blown out a couple feet, but it sits right about there. So I gotta go cut all this down to grade. That's all done. I'm gonna come back drag all this and take the high spots, excuse me, fill in the low. This one will be ready for gravel. All right, that's all back drug. Heck, I barely need to skiff a rock on it. It's gonna be an easy one. It's gonna be quick. I got a cutout for the back patio. Don't let me forget that. In the meantime, got some gravel that's in the dig out here. This is what we knocked down Saturday. Rock ordered Friday, we came Saturday, knocked it down. It's not to grade, but it's gonna be easy to stay ahead of the game. Edge of the property, you can see that pink stake right there that's painted pink. So all that gravel is in our dig out. So I'm gonna come over here with the machine, get on top of this pile. If I have more time after that, I'll start getting this one laser perfect. Point is here is not to dig down, just move gravel. Make a nice little spot to move on to like that. Well, I'll just stick it back here then. It's like I've been ordering 2 loads of this round rock for, you know, each soakage trench, and we don't use half of it. So it's like, whoa, obviously it only needs 1 load then. So I don't know if I got something in my eye. It's probably my finger. So I don't know if I've explained this on a older video or not, but this is our Cat 259D. It is one powerful little machine, especially compared to our 249. She is a beaut. Oh. Stereo. You can hook your Bluetooth your phone up to it. The struggle's real. Oh, all your bells and whistles up here. Key. Your computer's got a backup camera. I swear, I think my head is lopsided. My head goes all the time. Ow! You have this up, you can't get out. They're stuck. It blocks it. I don't like that. But it is what it is. All right, let's see here. That's done. Low point, this side of the house. So low point's gonna come out here, or go over there actually, and then come out to this pipe right there, the wheat pole, wheat. And yeah, I'm gonna go check on Frank, see how he's doing. Ah, there! It's flat through the sidewalk, that's a good thing. That needs to get lowered though. He's working on the sewer. I think he's at the wrong angle, but he's learning. He's getting her down. Looks like they already got the power opened up. Looking good. Looking good. We'll pass inspections that way. Looks like you 22 out of there. 11 out of there. We weren't even supposed to get this done today. I like it being ahead. You knocked down the sign. That's all right. That's all right. But I gotta go check around the job site of some other things that popped up. So take a walk with me. Got that formed up. You ready? You gonna pour? Yeah? Heck yeah. This is one of those ones we had to tear out. Alright, finally getting to it. Sweet. And then some more curb cuts he was telling me about. That point there. That point there's got to come out. From there. All the way to there's got to come out. Got to fix that. All that's got to come out. Oh dang. All of this, huh? Wow. This house is almost ready for a final grade. Come look at everything that we did Saturday. Dug all this out. He came and rocked it today. Covered that gas line that we found right there somewhere. People said it was good to cover, so but I guess I gotta come, and because now the grade is all, since this has got to be widened out 9 feet, the grade has to drop or dramatically, I guess. So I gotta cut out everything up to that pink line. We're busy, folks. We're busy. All right, everyone, that is gonna end our day. And thank you very much for watching. To all those subscribers, it means a whole ton to me. Thank you very much. Almost hit that. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, thumbs up, maybe share it with your friends and family. I can't even talk today. And comment about how I can't talk. On that note, we'll catch you on the next one.